Measures of central tendency, mean. In this part is 103. In this part I am covering the theory of mean, theory related to mean. Mean is defined by Garrett as the arithmetic mean, or more simply, the mean is the sum of the separate scores or measures divided by their number. Mean is represented by the symbol capital M. Characteristics of mean, these are as follows. First is, the mean is the balancing point of a distribution because the algebraic sum of deviations from the mean in both positive and negative direction is 0. Second point, second characteristic of mean, it is influenced by every score in the distribution. Therefore, if any score increase or decrease, the mean also changes accordingly. Third characteristic of the mean, the rules of arithmetic and algebra apply to the mean, hence it is very useful in statistical calculations. Fourth characteristic of the mean, compared to the median and mode, the standard error of the mean is lower. Standard error in the mean is smallest. Next topic is use of mean. The mean should be used in the following situations. How? First point, mean is used when the scores are normally distributed. Second point, mean is used when different distributions are to be compared. Third point, the mean is the purest measures of central tendency. Therefore, when a score accurate measure is required, when a more accurate measure is required, the mean should be used. Again, I am repeating the third point. The mean is the purest measure of central tendency. Therefore, when a more accurate measure is required, the mean should be used. For accuracy point of view, the mean is used. Fourth use of mean, the mean is used when every score in distribution is to be given importance. Fifth point, the mean is used when statistical measures such as standard deviation (SD), correlation and standard error are to be calculated. So these are the 5 uses of mean. When what is the use of mean? Now the next point is limitations of mean. Use of mean, characteristic of mean. So there are limitations of mean also. Some important limitations of mean are as follows. First limitation, when a distribution contains extreme scores, the mean should not be used in this situation. Second limitation, the mean is not applied there where the distribution is highly irregular or abnormal. Okay, now the next point, next limitation, third limitation of mean, if in given distribution some scores are missing, in that situation mean cannot be calculated accurately. Fourth limitation, the calculated mean does not truly represent all the scores in the distribution because the mean itself may or may not be an actual value present in the distribution. So this is the fourth point. Fifth limitation of the mean and the last limitation, sometimes mean provides impractical result such as 5.5, 6.5 persons. 5.5 persons are either 5% or 6% or 7%. Integer value is there, but in mean, suppose there are 5% and 6%, and I have to sum up that average of, so 5 plus 6 divided by 2 is 5 plus 6 divided by 2 is 11 by 2, that is 5 by 5.5, that is 5.5. So 5.5 in case of person is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. 5.5 is impossible. So this is actually impractical result. So in case of persons number calculation, animals or such things, impractical results are observed. So these are the limitations of mean. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and please share the video. I am covering, I have started the theoretical part of these chapters. First I am covering or taken the central tendency, measures of central tendency, and thereafter I will take another part. So this is all about this theoretical part of mean. Thank you.